Okay, so the same test piece that I cut in Desproto I've now done in RhinoCAM. Now I figured out what the problem was. I just need to completely ignore its machine setup that simulates stuff because it's simulating it absolutely 100% incorrectly. So I've oriented all the setups over here correctly, written this path that comes out like that. Quite important is you need to remember to set your tool retracts far enough above wherever you think your wax is going to be. Okay, so I'll show you how that runs on the machine. Okay, so that code is here. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? RC test. Okay, so it seems to load alright. Here goes nothing. So I'll do the same. Okay, so that's cutting side A with B at 0 and A locked at facing away from the machine. I'll pause that until that side's done cutting. Okay, so just busy hammering through the last of that code over there for the first side. And then you'll see how important that retract code is, because without the retract code previously it was just spinning it around. How do you love my hypothetical wax? Looks good, doesn't it? Ah, come on, get done. Alright, so the retract code is going to pull it about 60 millimeters away directly 90 degrees to the last path. This is important because the next part, I'm busy wondering if I shouldn't be putting approach code in as well. It rolls at 90, comes down and cuts. Alright, so without that retract code, it just pulls the cutter straight through the wax. So you must have a retract code, and probably you need to have an approach code too, which is, I would guess, the smart thing to do. Anyway, I'm going to let this go through the first 3 parts, and I'll show you it cutting the 5th top. Okay, so that's cut the last side there. So it's going to come around for the cut on the top. So they'll come in together, comes down and then does the cut across the top. Which is down here. Who knows where that is over here. Oh, anyway, doesn't matter. And done. So I've figured out the RhinoCAM. That's that. Cheers, Chris.